How to replace a 2022 Ford Escape for button smart remote key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Okay, so you're having issues where your battery might be the issue. You got to walk closer to the vehicle, lock, unlock, start. This issue starting the car. Let's do the quickest repair first. If your key ring is attached right down here, you can leave it on if you want to. Pull the emergency blade out, pop that to the side. I use a flat tip. It's preference for me. Put it right here, not on the side where the blade came out. Put it in, twist, and you notice the cover's popping up. Then I can just run this down the side and it pops it up. Now it's popped up. Here's your battery. This battery wants to come out. Just dump it up. 2450. Put your new battery in. And when you push it down, it wants to pop up just a little. That's fine. This back cover will hold it down. If the battery doesn't come out on yours, that's where you want to come in on the side right here and lift up. Now, when you go to put the cover back on, there's a little tab right here. There, you should be able to see it. That needs to go in first on here. So when you take cover, slide it in, push down, snap it together. There you go. You've changed your battery now. Thanks again for watching. If you would, give me a thumbs up if this video helped you.